Hello friends, today I'm going to explain how you can store your data from your contact form 7. This is specifically about contact form 7 and this won't act or this video is not for any other type of forms. Okay, so let's start. So let me first tell you that I have got two different type of contact forms. One is for customers and another is for resources. That is people who are applying for a company, uh, who want to join our company and they'll send us their CVs. Okay, so there is one plugin that is very important that you can use it. See, there are multiple plugins over the internet. You can use any one of them, but for managing multiple forms, storing their data in different forms, it's very important. So this particular plugin that I'm going to explain, it's a very popular plugin. It's a free plugin. It will help you a lot. So let's start. So now first you'll have to install the plugin. So you click add plugin and in the search box you can type this thing CFDB7. This is a very common contact form, like you can see 6 million people have already, more than half a million people have already used it, right? So just install it. It's a very simple plugin. There are no coding required, it's nothing very difficult here. Okay. Now, as soon as you go there, as soon as you activate this, you will find this forms all the data here. So now you have two contact forms, resource and the customer. Okay. So this is the resource form, and whatever is added, whoever applies for your company, it's stored here. So let me go back and then so this is the contact form at the bottom of my website, test dot. So I'm submitting it here. Okay. Once this form is submitted, you can see it here. Let me refresh this page. See, you can see one form has been added, like one data has been added, and all the information that you had submitted there will be collected here. Okay, and when you click it, it shows you all the details that the user has entered. So this is how easy this is. Thank you.